Alright, so Amazon Variation Wizard sucks, and let's be honest, if something always goes wrong, it's horrible. So in this video, I'm going to run through how to create variations with Flatfile in under 5 minutes. Let's go right into it. It requests a inventory report. So what we're going to do here is, this is assuming that you already have and currently sell the ASIN, right? It's an active ASIN that you're currently selling. So what we're going to do here is we're going to go to reports, inventory reports. We're going to pull it up here, right? We're going to pull category listing reports. And if you don't know when you create your ASIN, just stay back as far as possible and then just do active or something, so it's easy to find your ASINs. If you have a lot of ASINs, request a report, and then we're just going to pull this, download it, and this is what it'll look like, right? So from here, it's going to look pretty crazy. It's going to look very confusing at first, but don't be alarmed. It's very, very friendly. So let's say like you found your 5 ASINs, right? What you're going to do, copy this, and then we're going to make a copy simply because I want to use the exact format that we're currently using in the file. So let's say you found your 5 ASINs, you go to template again. So you want to clear everything from here, right? So you go down, you delete, and then you paste in these 5 ASINs, right? So from here, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pull like a random one just to create my parent listing, right? So let's say this is my parent listing. I don't know why it's so gigantic here. Let me shrink it down for you guys. It's been like a minute. Okay, so let's just name this like parent. And then this, since we won't have a parent listing yet, we're going to put this as create or replace. And then we're going to change this to parent SKU. So parent SKU, since this is a parent, this will be empty, right? But your other SKUs, that's going to be the parent SKU right here. Partial update, edit partial update. So it is going to be a partial update. This is going to be child, parent. Just make sure these are correct, right? Sometimes if it's a standalone SKU, it's going to be parent by itself. So make sure you change this to child and then change parent SKU to the parent SKU you're creating right here. Okay, next. So the variation theme, you want to go to your product, right? Just go here and then just edit listing for your product and then wait a few seconds. Go to variation. We're just going to double check that we're able to combine whatever variation type you want. So like color, and then as you can see here, after you select color, there's certain ones that you can't select anymore. So you just want to make sure that you can actually select these, right? In this case, let's do size, right? And then if you want to add more, just keep going ahead and let's go back to the SKU. So color and size. So what we're going to do is capital color and then slash size. If there's spaces, you just put like what you see right here, set name. So size name, whatever the space might be, you just replace with underscore. And then what you're going to do is copy this variation name all the way down, right? For all the products. The title and stuff really doesn't matter for the parent ASIN, but we're going to remove the UPC and product ID just because that's product ID and UPC of a different product that you're currently selling. And the main things that they're really looking for is just like the product details and bullet points match up, right? So everything is good. Keep in mind that the variation, theme, and name, it's based off the column. So if you search up color, you're going to see burning time. So these are the colors, right? Whatever colors you have here, it's going to be copied and pasted on for the variation. So let's say you have 2 of the same colors but different sizes. Make sure the colors are spelled exactly the same and the sizes are spelled the same, so it creates a good variation. And then from here, you realistically, for the parent, you don't need all of these columns. The main ones you really need are like product description, bullet points, and like where country of origin. It really depends on what category your product is in, but after you import it, if there's something wrong, it will show in orange like this telling you to fix it. But basically what you'll do after this is download and then Microsoft Excel file, go into and scroll up. We're going to go to catalog, right? Add product, and then we're going to go to spreadsheet. You're going to upload that downloaded file in the spreadsheet. Yeah, don't look at this, but essentially you upload it and then it's going to take you to the check upload slide to this page, and it's going to show you like SKU successful, SKU submitted. And if there's anything wrong, it will just show you. Like I said before, it's going to show you where you need to fix it. And boom, that's pretty much it. Very, very simple. It's not hard at all. Simply, you have to change a few of these, making sure your parent SKU is in create or replace, full update because your parent SKU does not exist yet. And then changing the parent SKU column for your child SKUs into the parent SKUs created here, right? Whatever the SKU might be, however you name it. And then also changing, this should be update, edit, parentheses, partial update already, changing these to parent, changing these to child. Everything else is pretty much spot on. It's very, very simple if you already have the SKU. And we have these 2 variations right here, so the set name and the color. I really want to reset this. Instead of having set name, it's just packs of quantity, right? I don't know why I did this before when I first started, but basically I want to change this to quantity. I'm not sure, since since due to the recent change by Amazon, if we go to pack of 6, it doesn't share the reviews, which is really odd. So before I deleted it and then recreate the same variation, but it didn't work. For some weird reason, it just reset to the number of sets. I mean, it just reset to the set name instead of the quantity, which I created it to be. So what we're going to do is, do the same. We're going to do flat file. So in this case, what you want to do is go to variation, family details. I just hit Alt. So basically, I just hit Command and click this so I can open a new tab without closing it because I need to access that again. If you click this, it's going to take you to the main page, to your home page. It's kind of, I'm pretty sure it's a bug, but essentially you just copy this SKU, put it in here, set it to all, and you're going to see this variation right here. And this is your parent ASIN. So it's not an actual ASIN that people can see, but it's just like a parent ASIN to group your child ASINs. So what we're going to do here is delete listing for this parent ASIN. Make sure you don't delete a child ASIN, or you don't delete the child SKU by accident. Make sure it shows like this. This is the parent ASIN, and then you're just going to delete it like that. As you can see here, guys, we changed it from number of sets into the number of items correctly. And then now all the numbers are correct. And it's just still loading right now, but as you can see, there's no reviews. But this is definitely the method that works, and it's the fastest as well.